What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. So what have we got here? We've got a Co-Ord for the summer. So we've got shorts and we have a t-shirt. Of course, we know what brand it is because it couldn't be any bigger and any more. Look at me. So yeah, we've got a Co-Ord. I'm just going to go through it first of all just to kind of show what I've got, and then I'll talk about the good, the bad, the ugly. So of course we've got that diesel logo, the D and then diesel denim division. It's all embroidered, which I really do like. You know, embroidered always goes a long way better than those flimsy stickers. This is like a felt material, this bit, and then the other bit's all embroidered. And of course R for rights reserved. So looking at the labels, that just says authenticity revealed, packaging, diesel essentials for successful living. Here it says the name of it, which is the T/boxed-div t-shirt. So that's probably saying like it's a boxy fit diesel denim division t-shirt, which is what it says. If you want to read that, just press the spacebar or pause and read, and then you can resume. And also again, if you want to read that, you can pause it. And obviously we've got the CLG code inside, which we like, and then the RFID also, and then the T boxed div, made in Bangladesh. So yeah, that's the t-shirt. If I'm honest, it is just standard t-shirt material. I expected something a bit more heavier, or heavyweight, thicker. It's not that heavy. If you like your t-shirts like that, then fair. I like mine a bit more heavyweight, a bit more thick, but it's alright, it will do. Then we've got the shorts that match, which are plain, just diesel denim division on the leg. We've got a standard drawstring waistband and then some side pockets. We've also got two pockets on the back, which need to be opened actually. I'm just going to leave them like that. Yeah, they definitely are pockets. They just need to be opened up. But yeah, so I got this on sale. Let's say a third of the retail price. If I paid the retail price, I wouldn't be happy, if I'm completely honest. It's just standard material. It's nothing fancy. Which usually diesel has really good quality materials, which I usually buy diesel items for that quality. This, it gives more of an essentials or plain basics type of range, which I get, but for the price tag. So this together costing just over £100 is not really anything special, to be honest. The shorts could have been with zip pockets or something like that, would have made it 10 times better. The logo could have been a bit bigger and a bit more clearer, because I don't know if anyone can see, but it looks a bit, you know, that red's a bit washed out, and I haven't even the white doesn't look white, and I haven't even worn them yet. But yeah, if anyone works at Diesel and is reading this, please contact me. Anyone from anywhere reading this, watching this, if any designer from anywhere or any company is watching this and you want me to help with designs, please contact me. And if anyone knows how I can get into designing stuff for companies, again, please contact me. But yeah, I won't waste up too much of your time. The diesel denim division Co-Ord. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, check all the other content, all the other videos, and take care, my people.